This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Mandy Gray. This charming custom-built marquee home in the settlement at Powhatan Creek hosts an open-concept floor plan, offering high ceilings west/natural light, Greatroom west/gas fireplace, a delightful sunroom overlooking the wooded area in the rear of the home, spacious kitchen west/ample cabinets, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, walk-in pantry and breakfast bar. Lovely formal dining room west/tray ceiling, crown, chair and picture molding. Primary suite west/huge walk-in closet plus a guest bedroom and bath on the first floor. Upstairs you will find 2-bedroom and a full bath plus lots of storage. Don't miss out on this great home in a quaint 55+ community west/fantastic amenities. For more information, review the details below or contact Mandy Gray at 757-510-6199.